Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 26th of June 2018. Okay guys, you know that I am traveling and I'm not able to provide the analysis on time because I will be back in a couple of days. So let's get started with the signals and Euro USD with a downward expectation from my side. If you look at the signals report, then I have supplied the clear bearish trend in case of Euro USD. 117016 was the entry and the target price is 116379, and you can see that within the 10 hours time span we have hit our signal. That's the target price. So guys, if you have traded Euro USD today, then hopefully you people must have caught a very good number of pips. Okay, now let's talk about the second pair of my signals report, that is New Zealand USD. I have supplied the weaker expectation for this pair. 068878 was the bearish entry and the target price was 068532, and you can see we have a massive drop on this pair, and the pair has reached towards the target price 068532. So if you have traded the only two pairs, then it has went massive because they have went so many pips down as per this signals report. Okay, now let's talk about the strength that we have caught today on USD JPY. 109650 was the bullish entry from my side. That's what 200forexpips.com has predicted in the morning. 109650 was the bullish entry, and you can see the target price was 1100093, and we have hit the target price within 6 hours, and you can see that that's a very clear signal. That was a positive signal to enter in the trade with no problems. It has taken a smaller U-turn, and then finally it has went and touched the target price that is predicted in the report. Okay, now let's talk about another pair, that's AUD USD. Bearish expectation was supplied for this pair, and 074138 was the entry and the target price was 073757, and you can see that the big drop is on the screen, and almost the market went near towards the nearest to the target price. So if you have caught the bearish rally on is within 7 hours time frame on AUD USD, then hopefully you must have caught very good number of pips. Okay, now let's talk about another strength on USD CHF. USD was strong today, and 098736 was the bullish expectation, and the target price was 099239, and you can see it is almost hit. We have seen a significant upward trend on this pair, and now the pair has reached to the maximum level. So guys, do not trade this pair anymore because I will supply you with another signal tomorrow. So please wait for my next signal. At last, I'm going to talk about, that second last signal, Euro JPY with the bearish expectation from 128266, and you can see we have a drop in the early session, and the market went up to let me explain, that went up to 127806. So if you have caught this downward pattern, then you must have booked a very good number of profit on trading this pair. At last, I'm going to talk about the AUD JPY. A bullish trend was supplied from 81315, and the target price is 81631. You can see the levels are already drawn on my chart, and we have seen the bullish trend here. It's already went bullish, and it's already going above the entry. So if it continues the bullish activity like this, then it can reach out to 81631. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You need to take sell positions with confirmations when the pair comes into the top red boundary, like we have a drop on AUD JPY here, and when it comes into the lower red boundary like here, you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the scalper is also here to provide you with the best signals, like when it gives the red signals at the top, that means you need to sell the pair, and when it gives the white signals at the lower red boundary, you need to buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to 200forexpips.com services, if you want to subscribe to my signals, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.